Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Take two. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can improve Google Map loading time. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So just follow me guys, and if you have any queries or any problems, just let me know in the comment section right away. So now let's just get started. Firstly, just go to your Google Maps. And then to improve your Google Map loading time, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile and then go to your offline maps and download that particular map or that particular location. So what happens is, if you download that particular location, if the Wi-Fi or data is working a bit slow, it won't affect. So that's one option. You can go and just download the offline map to improve Google Map loading time. So that's pretty much guys, that's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.